Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a creative day. In this tutorial about Wix Studio, we're going to learn how to create this amazing product card in Wix Studio. So, talking about the design, we have the cover image here with a mock-up of a person wearing this print-on-demand t-shirt or hoodie with a print in the center of it. And when you hover your mouse, the actual print image appears like this, and we have the product name right here. So this design has a lot of application. You can use it anywhere you want and on any page you want. All right, so let's say you want to showcase your products on a landing page. You can show your cover image, the main let's say features or buy now buttons or certificates or anything you want. And when you click on it, it will take you to the main product page. Okay, so let's learn how to design this. What I have done is simply take the CSS and HTML form from a CodePen uh, project and mix them together in a single iframe. So let's learn how to design that. One of the best feature of the design is that it is responsive, so you can also use it for mobile and tablet devices. So yeah, that's really cool. So let's learn how to do that. I will give you the code in the description. All you have to do is replace three images and one link. All right, so the images are all the way in the bottom of the code. We have this one, and this one. Okay, so you have to change these images. Now let me explain what the images actually does. First of all, we have the cover image, the class here, which is the main image that you see right here. So if I go to this link, we have this cover image right here. Okay, after that we have the title, which is this name, the product name, whatever you have here. Okay, so this is the product name. And finally, we have the image that appears when you hover your mouse. Okay, so we have three images right here. Two of these images should be transparent. So I will show you how to do that as well. So the uh, image that appear on hover will be transparent and the title will be transparent. The cover image can have the background. So let me teach you how to create the title. Go to canva.com. It's a free platform. Choose Facebook ad in the custom size or template. You can choose any size you want. Go to text and add any text you want here. So you can either choose the font here. Okay, so let's say we want to use this in our design. Simply download it. Now, if you have the pro version of Canva, you can directly choose this transparent background and it's good to go. But if you don't have that, that won't be a problem. All you have to do is here you can remove the background of the image. You can also do the background remove thing in the Wix. Go to the add element and upload your image. Okay, now go to crop and edit and go to background, cutout, and auto cutout. Sometimes it doesn't work, like this is one of those times, but in most cases, especially in the product images, this works. But if that doesn't work, don't worry, go to this remove.bg / upload and upload your image here. Okay, so it will automatically remove the background for you. Okay, now this image has a transparent background. Download it, go back to your Wix Studio, upload media, upload from computer, and upload your transparent background image. Now copy the URL of this image and go to your code. Now, as I said, the title here, the class title, represents the product name of the image. So now if you run it, you will have the order now right here. Let's change the cover image with one of the image that I already have right here. So copy the URL and go to the code editor. And this is the cover image. It's right here. Okay, so just replace the image link with yours. And now you have this as a background. Okay, now we also want to change the hover image. So go back to Wix Studio, copy the URL. This time you need a transparent background as well. So go back to your code editor and replace this one, the character class, and run it. Now if you hover your mouse, you will get this design right here. Okay, so you can add whatever you want, and the link, the destination link, should be right here. So I already have it. Let's run it, and if you click on it, it will take you to that link. Okay, so it's easy as that. Now just copy this code, go to your Wix Studio. Let's add a section, add an element, embed social, embedded code, enter code, and simply paste your code right here. Okay, now resize the iframe so that it looks good on your desktop device. Okay, now it is good to go. Okay, so if you preview this now in your devices, you can see that it will work just fine on Wix Studio. Okay, so it's a pretty cool design. A few more things. If you want to change the background to transparent, simply edit the code. And on top here, you will find the background. Okay, the topmost background class, and change it to either 3 or 6 time F, which is the transparent background. And you will have a transparent background right here. Okay, one more thing you have to do is make it responsive. So just resize it for your tablet and mobile devices. So just go here and resize it for your other devices as well. Okay, so it is now good for the tablet. Do the same for mobile. Okay, so now it is good for mobile as well as tablet devices. You can preview it and use it however you want in your landing page or in your home page or whatever you are using. So I hope you learned something. This is how you create this card, and I will see you soon with some more cool tutorials. Thanks for watching.